Hello everyone, the first ride of the year 2026, the 8th of March. This will only be a short video, I think. I'm just out for a short ride and I'm not going to a specific place. And I'm not going to make coffee or something like that. So just out for the first ride of the year. As you can see, there is a little snow left here in Sweden where I live. Not much, but you can see it where it has been snow pile, and it has been a very cold winter. It has been cold a very long time, not very cold. The coldest temperature was around minus 19 degrees perhaps, Celsius of course, and that was just a couple of days, few days. So but it has been around minus 10, 11, 12 degrees for a couple of weeks. So it has been cold a very long time this winter, even though it hasn't been that very cold. And it's the same with the snow, I believe. The amount of snow, it has been some maybe 20 centimeters of snow, but since it has been cold that long time, there's more snow left this March than March 2025. So it has been more winter, so to speak, than last year. I hope for this summer I will be able to go out on a longer trip again. Last summer wasn't the best for me. I worked a lot, but also I had some personal trouble I had some personal problem, you can say. Not me personal, but in the family, with health problems, sickness and things like that. So it was a very tough year last year. So I hope this year 2026 will be a better year, and hopefully I will be able to go out filming more and put out some more videos than what I have done. It was a long time since I put out some video, and I have dropped a lot of followers, so yeah. It's sad, but sometimes life happens, as you used to say, and when life happens you just have to follow it. But today the sun is shining and it's I don't know the outside temperature. It is 10 degrees Celsius outside right now. And that's fantastic. That's really amazing.
Det ser kallt ut.
Ja, det är inte så farligt. Det är ganska skönt. Ja, det är ju en 10 grader i alla fall.
Jag har inte tagit ut min, han står i vinterförvaring.
Ja, men det är dags att ta fram nu.
Får göra det? Ja, jag börjar bli sugen.
Ja, men...
ice is still on the lakes, and it is a little colder on the nights, so hopefully the road isn't very cold, even though it can be a little colder on the road surface than in the air, and that's also one of the reasons why I waited a little longer to go out. It's a road nearby where I live, where it has been 2 death accidents within 1 week cause of slippery surface, probably. So it is a little problematic time of the year right now. even though the road can look wet, look like it is wet, it can be ice on it. If not, if it looks like here it's dry, but if it looks wet, it can be ice. In the part of the road where that's in shadow, as you can see from the forest, the road is colder than it is right here. So it's, I don't think it's a problem right now, but it's not unproblematic to be out this time of the year. So but those death accident was with cars, not motorcycle. Feels a little cooler right now, and I don't know if it's because of the snow on the side of the road or 8.5 and it was 10.5, so 2 degrees cooler outside. I don't know if you can feel that, but it feels a little colder. But it's no sun right now, and it's shadow in the forest, and it's snow at the side of the road, so maybe the air feels a little colder because of that. But yeah, I don't know. It's not the perfect weather outside, but it's not that bad either. Okay everyone, that was all for this time. I hope you liked the video, and I also hope that you stay on my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye!